Hey YouTube, Phoenix 21 Studios here. I have just installed this shelf that will hold all these bottles to get some of that stuff off the shelves. And you can buy this shelf. It's actually not a shelf, it's a composite post sleeve kit, 40 inches long. They sell it at Lowe's for, I think, $30. They probably sell it at the Home Depot also. It's meant to put over wooden posts like that. And it also comes with a trim kit, but we're not going to be using that. So depending on what it is that you're storing, I like these. They're a little bit more robust than your regular sprayer. They don't leak, they don't break down, but they are 3 3/4 inch. If you're going to be with the metal can, spray paint, stuff like that, you can go smaller. You're going to need a tool like this. It's correct size. I used a grinder to make some square slots. So I didn't want to transfer every single thing that I had into these sprayers. So I've cut some square slots. Then over here we have the circular ones. And that's about the max limit. That was the first one I did, and it was really hard to get it centered. The other ones look slightly better. I erred on the side of caution, making this the presentation side, so I didn't cut into the side too much. To get this mounted, I just found where the studs were and marked it. Did a little pilot hole with a hole here. Used the Torx bit on a really long extension. And ran it through there to put it up. I thought I was going to get away with using this angle tool, but once everything was assembled for the Torx piece, it wasn't going to fit in there, and really I could have just used this by the time I did it all. And all this is just an extension piece with an extension piece. If you're going to grind into this, wear eye protection, wear a respirator, and do it outside. It's unbelievably dusty and messy. If you're using this, you might want to, if you already have this stuff, you only have $30 tied into this post. If you don't have this stuff, it's going to be a little bit expensive, probably $15 for this. They make it wood, plastic, metal. It's rated for everything. That's the Spider brand, and it does all right. But I thoroughly enjoy getting this stuff off the table and up on the wall. And we're going to cover these up, maybe with some stickers like STP or maybe one stickers decorated a little bit. Well, anyway, $30 for a shelf. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.